everyone, welcome back to the another video of Venus Academy. In this video, we are going to learn about the VPS, Visual Positioning Systems, which is another product by Google Maps. We all know Google Maps and we have been using this Google Maps. We are using the GPS based navigation system, that is the Global Positioning System, which uses the satellites to track down our accurate location on the maps. While over the recent years, Google Maps have been tremendously it is evaluated. There is a fast evolution in the Google Maps. First, it was just only the maps, then satellite view, then terrain view, then we can see traffic on Google Maps. We can locate particular distances with respect to Google Maps. We can track our friends with respect to our location on maps. So there are a lot of improvement on Google Maps. But friends, in today's date, there is another product by Google that is nothing but the VPS, Visual Positioning System. Suppose all around the world there are many wonders, many different locations which are full of crowded. People go to particular site, people go to various tourist attractions, people click pictures and post it on Google Maps. There are various, numerous, n number of contributions by people on Google Maps. So basically, Google Maps, they having a particular data stored in their systems. Google Maps and the sophisticated devices, they are using all of this data. They are trying to prepare the models, that is the 3D models, such as let's say Eiffel Tower. This particular Eiffel Tower, if we go on Google Maps, we can see the 3D images of this Eiffel Tower. Also, we can use the Google Street View, which gives you the 3D or as the 360 photosphere like of that particular location. So by using all of this data, Google Maps is continuously growing and evolving. So nowadays, use of a lot of different artificial intelligence website, it is also increased very much. So this artificial intelligence, the data which is stored on Google Maps and the 360 photospheres, street view data, all of this Google have computed and they have created the visual positioning system. Now basically, this particular system is gives you inside view of a street, of a mall, of an airport. Basically, from inside, how does an airport will look like? Where are the elevators? Where are the staircases? Where are the food stalls? Like this, everything can be tracked down by VPS. It is a guide, a visual guide by using augmented reality in Google Maps. So friends, this particular VPS, it is suitable for indoor navigation. But the GPS is the overall, like from a satellite view, how does it look like? But VPS gives you the inside view of anything. So this VPS in near future, it will be having some potential applications. So friends, comment below what you think about VPS. What will be the potential applications of the VPS, Visual Positioning Systems? Well, over here friends, in this VPS, there is another provision that you can add your buddy. Now this buddy will help you to reach your destination. Basically friends, all the smartphone cameras, like they having the feature like depth mapping, depth imaging. So all of this depth imaging sensors, like the data that is utilized by the Google Maps in this VPS, Visual Positioning Systems. So also in near future, like different brands, like it will be a biggest marketing strategy by different brands to promote their brands on Google Maps. Basically friends, it is just a combination of all the machine learning, artificial intelligence, and geospatial applications. Geospatial means the smartphones, the devices that uses your geographical data, and accordingly it will give you the user experience. So this is a simple representation of the VPS, that is visual positioning systems. I hope you understood the concept of VPS. So friends, if you having any queries, any doubts, please feel free to ask and please comment below.